What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at a Walkman, sort of. It's actually a cassette tape capture device. What this does is it actually allows you to take your old cassette tapes and put it through this and it'll convert it over to MP3. Now, for a lot of people, especially nowadays, it's probably not that big of a deal, but there are a lot of people who still have cassette tapes out there. I personally have no cassette tapes, which is why I hit up my old boss and good friend, Larry, who donated an old cassette tape for me. As you can tell, it's pretty sun damaged. I'm not sure what it is. It's Jerry Jeff Walker. I don't know what it is. That's not the point. The point is that we're gonna test it out. For those out there who do have cassette tapes, maybe old mixtapes, you probably know somebody who does have cassettes, might be a good time to go ahead and convert those over to MP3. I would assume as time goes on, it's gonna be harder and harder to do so. Anyway, let's just open this up. Oh my goodness, this looks like an ancient piece of technology. All right, you got a 3.52 red and white AV, and you have a mini USB to USB cable. It's not something you see very often anymore. And then, of course, there is software. I didn't know that there was software, but now I do. And a instruction manual. Oh my goodness. It feels weird holding something like this. It's cheap plastic, it's all silver. You've got your big play button here. Push that down. You got stop, fast forward, rewind. I don't know what this is. I think this might be to flip this tape or something. I don't know what that is. The instructions don't tell me. You got your volume wheel, mini USB port, an auxiliary port for headphones, and then you have your open. Oh, there we go. Wow. Wow, that's something I never thought I'd ever see again. What is that? That's a DC. What? There's no DC cable? That's weird. Okay, well, I guess let's just power it up and see what happens. Let me break out the laptop, get out of here. I don't need you, don't need you, we don't need you. All right. There you go. You got a battery compartment right here, so that's where your double A's go. I mean, if you're wanting to walk around listening to a cassette tape, you can still do that. All right, so I'm gonna slap it in here. All right, let's see if this even plays. Yeah, it works. And it's country music. Not my favorite genre of music, but either way, it works. All right, well, let's, your computer for, okay. All right, well, let's open it. Well, that doesn't work. Okay, so I spent way too long on this thing, and yeah. So I keep getting, my computer does not recognize this. I've done everything, updating drivers. I even found a forum where people were also seeing this in other places, but they were able to solve it using some solutions, but I could not solve my solution. I even tried it on a couple other computers. It doesn't work. There you go. I think because this type of technology is so outdated that not even the computer is gonna even recognize it. It seemed like it was gonna be a very simple process to get this thing to work, and well, it definitely was not. So I am not gonna spend any more time on this. I definitely don't suggest it, but I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want a Walkman. It plays music, but yeah, connecting it to the computer just does not recognize this. Well, you can't win them all. So, you know, this is a cool looking Walkman. And if you have some old cassettes, then, you know, 20 bucks for a little Walkman might be worth checking out if you're into that sort of thing. Either way, that is it. Very disappointed. I really wanted this thing to work, and it doesn't, so. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands. Good luck, and get out of here.